Shall I go open the doors now?
The doors?
Well, you've got a lot of animals waiting in line to audition, Mr. Moon.
I do? Holy moly, I really do. I swear to you, Eddie, this is no joke. Look, just get down here and see for yourself. I gotta go. This is it, Miss Crawley. Get your scaly tail downstairs and throw those doors open wide.
By Gail, by Rory, by Mickey, by Mo, by Nelson, by Hannah, by Tess, by Casper.
I love my shoes. Come, my lady, come, my lady. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby.
Let's hear from a few more of the folks in line. What about you, sir?
Well, Bob, I'm a lab technician for a leading pharmaceutical company, but I was born with a gift. That gift is to sing.
Oh
my gosh, look at her butt. Oh my gosh, look at her.
I live my life by myself. Can't stand nothing that you say. I'm not listening anyway.
Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, lolly.
Oi, Dad, just going out.
Well, don't be long. I've got the gang coming over.
Well, look, I mean, I'm sure you're gonna get a lot of namby-pamby animals in here saying things like, oh, it's not winning, it's the taking part that counts. Yeah, not me, pal. I'm here to win. That prize, it's mine.
People say, yo, Humpty, you're really funny looking. That's all right, 'cause I get things cooking.
Working 9 to 5.
We can dance if we want to.
Ride like the wind, ride like the wind. The two of us need to look no more. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me.
Wow. Thank you, Johnny.
Okay, next up we have Mina.
Good luck out there.
All right, come on, here we go. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. I'm sorry,
Okay, hey, it's all right, you know? It's all right. Take it away, Mina.
okay,
Anytime now.
just,
Do you want to start over?
All right, enough of that. That's quite enough of that. That's it. Come on. Off the stage, Helga. Go on, you're useless. Thanks. Right, here we go. Hit it.
Every time it rains, pennies from heaven. Don't you know each cloud contains?
you've just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just don't